Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Education Master. In today's video, you will learn how to talk about your health in English in a simple and easy way. If you want to speak English confidently in daily life, this lesson is perfect for you. So watch this video till the end and practice with me. Let's get started. When you talk about your health, you can start with simple sentences. I am healthy. I feel good. I am fit and active. Now let's try a little longer sentences. I am in good health. I take care of my body. I try to stay active every day. Repeat after me. I am healthy and I take care of myself. Now let's talk about your daily habits. You can say, I eat healthy food. I drink a lot of water. I avoid junk food. Longer sentences. I try to eat fruits and vegetables every day. I drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. I avoid fast food because it is not healthy. Repeat after me. I try to live a healthy lifestyle. Talking about exercise is very important. You can say, I exercise daily. I go for a walk. I do yoga. Longer sentences. I go for a walk every morning. I exercise 3 times a week. I like jogging and staying active. Practice. I exercise regularly to stay fit. Sleep is very important for good health. You can say, I sleep well. I get enough rest. Longer sentences. I sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. Good sleep helps me stay fresh and active. Repeat. I take proper rest to stay healthy. Mental health is also important. You can say, I feel relaxed. I stay positive. Longer sentences. I try to avoid stress. I relax by listening to music. I spend time with my family to feel happy. Practice. I try to stay positive and stress-free. Sometimes we feel sick. You can say, I feel tired. I have a headache. I am not feeling well. Longer sentences. I take medicine when I am sick. I visit a doctor if needed. I take rest to recover quickly. Repeat. When I am sick, I take care of myself. Now let's speak together. I take my health seriously. I try to eat healthy food and drink enough water. I exercise regularly and get enough sleep. I also try to stay positive and avoid stress. When I feel sick, I take rest and take medicine. Overall, I try to live a healthy lifestyle. Great job! You are learning step by step. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Education Master for more English learning videos. Keep practicing and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next video. Thank you!